Assalamualaikum friends, here is a realistic identity card stationery for Adobe Illustrator, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe me on Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, so you can change image here, change color, change design, everything change. Same thing. Next, you can import your QR code and here your image in Adobe Illustrator. For example, open this one APS file, and here is print 1 and print 2, extract print 1 and extract this one. See here, more extract. Here is image. You can import your image and make clipping mask. Okay, that means these are editable files. Now open this one. You can change everything. Here is the background. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.